عليكم يا إمام الزمان عجل الله تعالى فرجه الشريف. Assalamu alaikum ya Aba Salih. So this is the Jum'ah scene at our house. So Nahjul is doing the imamat maybe, and these two small girls are praying. So it is rightly said, your words does not affect the children, your act does affect the children. So this is Yawmul Jumu'ah, and this is our Imam Zamana's room, full of spirituality. There's no distraction. When we come in this room, we say salam to Imam Zaman first. We do our prayers and we do our ibadat here, and we do namaz here. We do our mutali'ah here as well. There are lots of books here, and we stay up for Laylatul Qadr here as well. Or this is so full of space and so full of spirituality. No any other distraction here. यहाँ अगर ऐसा लगता है आप दुनिया से कट गए. It helps us so much in focusing and concentrating in namaz. और जब आप यहाँ आए ना, दिल ही नहीं करता बाहर जाएं. This is so beautiful and I love this room. This is the favorite part of mine, of our house.